Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you go to Windows settings and when you go to apps, and over here if you don't see startup option, so over here you generally there is a startup option. So if you don't see it, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, to get it back, type in registry editor in Windows search box and then go to registry editor. Click on yes to allow and then expand H key local machine and then expand software. Now expand Microsoft, then Windows, Microsoft, scroll down and find Windows in the list. Here you can see Windows, expand Windows. Now expand current version. Now expand policies, scroll down and here you can see policies and then select system. Now once you select system, on the right hand side you have to add these entries. Now if you already have these entries over here, in that case you have to change the value to this. Now if you don't have the entries, in my case I don't have enable full trust startup task over here, I don't have it. So if you don't have it, make a right click and then select new and then click on dword 32-bit value and name this as enable full trust startup task without any space. You can make a right click, click on rename and then name it and then make a double click and set the value to number 2 and then click on OK. Now once done, you have to add this entry. Now if you already have this entry, you only have to change the value to 2. In my case I don't have it, so I will make a right click, new dword 32-bit value, name it as enable UWP startup task and again make a double click over here, set the value data to number 2. Now find this support full trust startup task. If you have it, change the value to 1. If you don't have it, make a right click, select new dword 32-bit value, name it as support full trust startup task without any space, make a double click, set the value data to 1, click on OK. Again support UWP startup task, make a right click, new dword 32-bit value, name it as support UWP startup task, make a double click, set the value data to number 1. All these entries are provided in the video description. Click on OK. Once this is done, you can close this. Now open Windows settings. If it is open, then close it and then open it once again. Now go to apps and here you can see startup. So this is how you can get the startup option back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.